which is kind of surprising, especially since it's something that's kind of old. Oh wait, there you go. I think I got some gold here on this ribbon. Kind of hard to tell. If it is gold, it's very light gold. There you go. Some copper in there. Copper bearing motor. Another little board in here. Probably doesn't have much copper. Sorry, not copper, but much gold on the board. Like most of the other stuff in here. We got another little small board. Plastic, garbage, some ribbon. No, nothing too exciting on this. Let's see what's in. This might actually have some gold in it, kind of like a LCD screen. Let's open her up, see what there is. Hopefully you can find some gold in this. From the looks of it, it looks like it's all just medium board and ribbons. There you go. Got it open. Let's see what we have here. So we have a little tiny LCD screen. Nothing special. Got another board. Oh, there you go. We found some gold. I had a feeling we'd find some gold in there. It's kind of hard to see. I can't get it to focus. There you go. You might be able to see it now. Some gold in there. Not much though. And don't think this is gold plated. This little ribbon though. Another little board here. Let's see if there's anything interesting here other than some ribbon. I think this connector here has some gold. This is the one the screen was plugged into. Little medium grade board, nothing special. Overall, kind of disappointed in all of this. I was expecting a lot more gold, a lot more capacitors, like maybe 4 ounces, 6 ounces max of medium board. Very little cable or ribbon. I'm not sure if it was even worth taking this apart. Probably was worth the same value in like weight, scrap wise. It's almost nothing in value. I'd be surprised if there's even 50 cents worth of value in here. Well, that kind of sucks, but at least you know what the insides of one of these look like. So hopefully you enjoyed my video. Hopefully I didn't bore you with my stops and pauses, which I tend to do quite a bit. So if you like the video, like, subscribe.